Hey guys, welcome back. It's Amy Jo, and in today's video I'm going to tell you all about the cute little pups Swim to Me puppy. Before we take it out of the box, let's take a look at the back. So as you can see here, this little puppy actually swims. It comes with an adoption certificate. It has a leash and goggles, and it can also go for a walk. Here is a better angle of that. Okay, so let's take a look. All right, here is our little puppy out of the box. It's really cute. I was just trying to gauge how heavy he is. It's a little heavy. As you can see right here in the front, he's wearing a collar, and this button is the on and off switch. So we need to add 3 AA batteries, which I'm gonna do, and then I'll show you what this little puppy can do. I said AA, but the puppy actually needs AAA. So, see, these are a little smaller. So I have lots of batteries, so no problem there. Okay, now we should be able to push the button and he should turn on. Whoa! We sort of did this backwards, but basically that's how you take him for a walk. So we have a leash and we can place this around his neck, and I'm gonna go outside and demonstrate how he can go for a walk with you. I'm also going to demonstrate how he can swim. So look at these funny goggles. Let's see. He'll put the goggles on for his swim. Whoa. So we're gonna put him in the pool and see what he's like when he swims, and we're gonna put Zumi in the pool too. What do you think, Zumi? You wanna go swimming? And what do you think, puppy? Oh, Zumi's meeting the puppy. Zumi doesn't love going in the pool, but she also doesn't mind going in the pool. But I never let her in the pool without a life jacket on, so we need to do that. We need to put her life jacket on. I don't have any goggles for you. I don't have any goggles for you. Let's see what she does if I turn the puppy on and the puppy walks. She might be scared. Let's see. Zumi definitely knows how to swim, but I still have a life jacket for her. Come here, honey. That way, just in case something were to happen or if she fell in, this would protect her so that she wouldn't drown. What do you think, girl? You wanna go for a swim? Hey, Zumi. Zuma! What do you think? You wanna go for a swim? You wanna go for a swim? Zumi's looking up at the helicopter that's going by. Are you ready? Are you ready to get in? Are you ready to get in? How about you? Are you ready to get in? Okay, so watch, guys. Okay, so put her down towards the water. Watch Zumi's paws. Will automatically start going. There she goes. Okay, swim, girl. Good girl! What a good girl! Now she's gonna dry off. Oh, maybe not. Oh, there she goes. Now, maybe let's try the puppy. What do you think, Zumi? Okay, little dog, you're up. All right, the direction said to go ahead and lower it into the water. Okay, let it go. It's not as fast as Zumi. Look at Zumi. Zumi's like, what in the world is going on? Aww. Zumi, do you want to swim with the puppy? You want to swim with the puppy? You want to get in there? Do you want to get in there? That puppy's legs move back and forth just like Zumi's do in the water. That's so cute. What do you think, girl? Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. You can do it. Here. Here, go get it. You can do it. You look crazy. Look at your friend. Zumi, look. Here comes Zumi. Good girl. We're thinking it would be funny if Zumi and the puppy raced. What do you think, Zumi? Are you up for a race? Okay, it's a race. Zumi's gonna win. Zumi's gonna win. Good job, girl. Where's our little friend? He's just enjoying the pool. Looks like the tiny puppy is surrounded by a bunch of bugs. What happened? What happened, little dog? Zumi's over here drying off after her successful win in the dog versus dog race. This guy's just stuck on the steps. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you soon. Bye.